How to view LD Player as tablet mode and mobile mode. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to launch the LD Player in your device. Here, the LD Player is in tablet mode. Now to change into mobile mode, once you are on this interface, navigate to this area where you will find settings page in your top right corner, tap on it or click on it. Then a settings box will pop up in your interface. Now to change into mobile mode, there you will find this phone option. Click on it. Now you have to choose the resolution. Click on it and then tap or click on save settings. Now you have to restart your LD player, so click on restart now. Then after you open up your LD player back again, you will have a mobile mode enabled in your LD player. Now again open up LD player in your device. Then the mobile mode is enabled in your LD player. Now if you want to switch back to your tablet mode, you have to repeat the same steps to click on the settings option from the top right section and then go to tablet and then select the resolution and then tap on save settings. And then again restart your LD player. After that, open up your LD player and then you will have the tablet mode enabled in your LD player. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.